My today's recipe is potentially one of the most popular Indo-Chinese chicken recipe, chili chicken. This is great to pair with noodles or fried rice. So please check out the description box below where I have given you some links to those recipes as well. My channel, all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. First, we are going to marinate the chicken. Here I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken and I have cut that into small 1-inch cubes. To this, I'll add a few ingredients. 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, 3 teaspoons red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of maida, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1½ tablespoons ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, half a teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. This is just for color and optional, and 1 egg that I have beaten. And now and also add half a teaspoon of salt. Now we will mix the chicken with all of these ingredients, so nicely coat the chicken with all of this and keep it for 1 to 2 hours. Now we will start making our sauce for the chili chicken. For that, here I have taken 1 cup of normal temperature water. To this I'm going to add a few ingredients. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of red chili sauce. You can always adjust based on your spice level, so you can reduce it if you think this is going to become too hot. Also, I'm using a red chili sauce that's not that very spicy, so you can adjust. 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 3 teaspoons of corn flour, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can use Kashmiri red chili or just skip it as well, so this is optional. Half a teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Now mix all of this well together, and this is our sauce mix that we are going to use for making the chili chicken. Now we will fry the chicken. For that, here I have added 1 cup of oil. We are going to wait for the oil to be heated up. We will fry the chicken at a medium-high temperature and not at very high temperature. The oil is now hot. Now we will gradually add the chicken pieces in it, and we will fry the chicken pieces at a medium-high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes, so not too much. And don't add all the chicken pieces at once because the chicken needs to have room to move around. And as the chicken gets fried, make sure that you flip the chicken pieces over on both sides so both sides get evenly fried. So 2 to 3 minutes should be good to fry the chicken well. The chicken is now well fried. Now I have taken a plate and put a kitchen towel on top. Now we will go ahead and start setting the chicken aside. Similarly, fry the rest of the chicken pieces. If you are not interested to deep fry the chicken, you can always shallow fry it as well. Here I have kept 3 tablespoons of the oil in which we fried the chicken, and the rest I have set it aside. First, heat up the oil really well, and then we will add 3/4 cup of spring onions, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, and 3 to 4 green chilies that I have slit in the middle. Now we will fry this for about 1 minute. It's been a minute. Now I will add 1 large onion, about 200 grams, that I have cut out the petals off. And in a similar shape, I have cut 1 cup of yellow capsicum. You can use your choice of capsicum, red or green. And at a very high flame, now we are going to fry all these vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's been about 3 minutes. Now I will add all of the sauce mix that I made before. Make sure you stir it because the corn flour can settle at the bottom. And now again at a high flame, we are going to mix all of this well together and cook this for another minute. It's been a minute. Now we will add the fried chicken. So go ahead and add all of that. And now mix the chicken well and toss the chicken in this for another 1 minute. Also make sure you taste for the salt. If you've used regular soy sauce, you may not need any more salt, but if you're using low sodium one, you may need some. So make sure you taste for that. So now we will cook this for another minute at a high flame. Our chili chicken is almost ready. At the end, we will garnish this with some spring onion greens. This is optional. If you don't have it, feel free to skip it. And now our chili chicken is completely ready. It's a really super tasty Indo-Chinese recipe. Please try to make it this way and let me know how it works out for you. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.